Hello everyone, welcome to Cookroid, and my name is Saurabh Kukreja. Today we are going to do our day 8 challenge, and in this challenge what we are trying to learn is mostly about dictionaries and maps. So let's see what the task is. Uh, so what the task is that it's kind of a phone book application that we will develop here, in which the user will input name and number of a user of like his friends or whatever, and then from that like after inserting the three test cases, it can run for any number of times, and it will try to find if a specific name is there in my phone book, and if it is there it will get the phone number, or else it will say not found. I hope it makes sense. So what we'll do is, here is a little explanation that Sam's number is this, Tom's number is this, and Harry's number is this. So when they tried to find out Sam's number, they got it successfully, and Edward's number was not there in the list, so they could not find it out, and they say not found. Okay, now to do this, we will need some kind of data structure which can hold key value pair, right? This is key. Okay, so key and a value pair, and for that we will use HashMap. The reason for that is because HashMap can have like unique keys, and every key will have a unique value. So we'll go with HashMap in this solution. We'll do it in Kotlin, and let's see how it comes up. Okay, so the first step for us is to uh, accept these values, right? Now for that, what we'll have to do is we'll have to make a scanner. We will accept how many test cases user wants to add, or how many new contacts, I'll say. That will be, and because it's integer, I'll just say scan dot next line, because it always leaves an empty line after reading the string value. Now we will run the for loop for this many times to accept the different phone number and names. in0 it will be in a single line, so I'll say var phone var contact details equals scan dot next line. And now, as my input is Sam 9991222, what I'll have to do is I'll have to separate the name and the value. And how I can do that is using like a split function, and I'll split this string and then save it in my hash map. So to split it, I'll say var name number equals contact details dot split, and on what basis I'll split it based on space, and then I'll have name number as an array. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to create a hash map, as I explained earlier. I'll say var phone map equals hash map of we'll go with string here. I don't want to complicate it too much by taking string double or something, so I'll go with string considering phone number is also a string. Then what we'll do is I'll add this name number into my phone map. So phone map dot put name number 0th element, and then name number first element. So over here what we have done is we have received the input and we have stored it in the form of hash map. Now the next part is, it says over here that after the n lines of phone book entries, there are an unknown number of lines of queries, and each line contains a name to look up. So because it says unknown number of queries, so what we'll do is while true, because it can read up to any number of lines, while true, then we'll try to read a name that's the input is searching for, and we'll say scan dot next line, and whenever he wants to break, we'll say break, right? And now what we have to do is we have to search for this name in this phone map. So we'll say, and what we'll get is phone number, right? So we'll say where phone number equals phone map dot get name, and now we'll simply say if phone number is null or blank, what do we have to do? We have to print not found. Else what we got to do is we take the name equals to with the number. So what do we print? lns name equals phone number. Okay, that's it. Let's try to run it. HashMap off. Okay. Nice, and then we'll submit it. See if there are any test cases which don't run on time or don't run. Okay, good. So basically what we did over here is we are using HashMap, which accepts key value pairs, and we divided the contact details using split operator, and we saved it in our HashMap. And when we say get, we mean like get the key, it will give us the value of that name specifically, and then we are simply printing it. So that's it for day 8 dictionaries and map. We did it using Kotlin. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for day 9 challenge.